Today I'm going to talk about the importance of eating right when sourcing. So when you source, it's really easy to just go to a fast food place on your way to your next store, your next garage sale or something. And that's what I've been doing for a long time. But I'm starting to see the effects of not eating right on my energy level. So I'm starting to become more tired when sourcing. I feel like I can only source for so long before I run out of energy. And I used to be doing retail arbitrage all the time. So, and I like to go in the middle of the night to these stores that are 24 hours because nobody's there to bother you. If you're buying a whole bunch of stuff, there's registers that are open and you don't have to wait in line, and nobody's going to say anything if you buy a whole bunch of stuff. So I like to go in the middle of the night, and there's nothing that's open that's really very healthy in the middle of the night. So I ate a lot of Steak and Shake. I ate a lot of McDonald's, and it just wasn't, I just ran out of energy super quick. I could only source for 4 hours, 5 hours, and I would be done. I would have to drive home. But I think what I'm going to start doing is buying some food that I can take with me at the grocery store, and hopefully that'll be better for my energy level. Another thing is to bring water. So, one of my biggest sourcing days of the year, pretty much like everybody else, was Black Friday. And this was the only day where I drank water when sourcing. So, I have a pretty big problem with drinking pop, drinking Mountain Dew, and all those sugary drinks. But on Black Friday, I had planned out this huge route of stores to go to, and I went all day. I went from 9 in the morning to midnight. So 15 hours of sourcing, going to the same store, buying the same stuff. It wasn't really profitable as I thought it would be. It seemed like everybody started to do that. Everybody was buying that stuff. So, but anyways, I would drink a bottle of Mountain Dew and then a bottle of water. I'm not advising drinking soda, but that made me stay awake. It didn't hurt my stomach from too much sugar, and I think it was just overall successful sourcing event. I ended up going to I think it was 18 Walmarts, so it was pretty crazy day. If you guys want me to share a picture, I ended up buying video games there, and it wasn't very profitable. But if you guys want me to share a picture of everything I bought, I have some. If you want to see that, just comment below, and I'll see everybody next time.